For the past 5 years, the Davis and Cheer families have joined forces to make a summer tradition come to life. Every year, all 7 of us drive north of Fresno to Shaver Lake, California. For 4 days, we go out on the lake to have fun and escape the city. But we wanted Shaver Lake 2020 to be the best one yet. After driving hours through miles and miles and miles of pretty much nothing, we reached Bravo Farms, which was only the halfway point. We shopped around, hung out with Larry and his friends, and continued on. We did our annual grocery run at Marvell's and drove the final stretch up the mountain to our cabin. Day 2 started out exciting with the fire alarm going off and playing a lot, and I mean a lot, of pool. Then we packed up and headed up the mountain to Huntington Lake. We kicked off day 3 with, you guessed it, more pool. But before we knew it, we were back at Shaver Lake on the pontoon boat. We closed off the day with more pool. Our final day at Shaver Lake was spent at one of our favorite coves, with more floating around and enjoying ourselves, ending the day with more games of pool. Shaver Lake, like always, was a blast. But all good things must come to an end. So we packed up and headed back to Los Angeles. Next up, Shaver Lake 2021.